Okay guys, another video for tonight. This one is on a realistic Pro-2010, a 20 channel programmable scanner. Frequency range, according to the label, is, let's see, 30 to 54 megahertz, 108 to 138, 138 to 174, and 380 to 512 megahertz. So what's going to happen with this lovely little critter is she is going to be getting a BNC connector. We're going to be replacing the old Motorola connector on the back right here. She's going to be getting the BNC in its place. So if you're interested in tagging along for this video, stay tuned. Okay, so basically what you want to do to get at the main board is remove 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then you're left with the guts of the scanner. And for any European watchers out there that may have the Pro-2010 and you want to convert her to North American standard, you have one little jumper right here that's on the European version. Chances are this is installed. Remove this jumper and have it in the same configuration as what you see here, and then you should technically have 30 to 54. You'll lose your 68 to 88, but you'll gain 30 to 54 megahertz. But anyways, I digress. So let's go over to the antenna port on the scanner, which is way over here. So basically what we're going to have to do is remove this here connector, this Motorola type connector, and we're going to put a BNC in its place. So yeah, so I guess the first thing we got to do is take the screws out of the board here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and then you can remove this board ever so gingerly. And it should pop straight out like that. So yeah, then we can get at the solder connections and the back here for the antenna connector. So just go down solder these guys here, and this connector should just come right out of here. So anyway, let's get this connector removed. So after desoldering 3 little connections to ground in your center, the connector is now removed from the board. So now we have to get a BNC and fit in the original hole that was back here, and then run a wire from that. Obviously you've got to hook a ground up to it. Ground wire to the shield on your BNC, and then the center pin will then have to go to the board as well. So let's get the BNC mounted here, shall we? Alright, so the new BNC connector has been installed. And it is on there as tight as I can put it without stripping the threads on that nut. So now we have to put a shielded cable going between the ground and the center pin here, so it lines up with the traces here on this board. So that is the next step. So let's I got my shielded wire installed. Now I just need to take this same wire now and connect it to the connector back here, and then that part is done. And then I'll just put the cover on her and away to go. So we'll do a little test on her to make sure she's actually receiving. She should be fine. But let's get this piece of wire here, this shielded cable, stripped off, and get her soldered on the connector over here next. So, and we'll have this part finished. Right, so we have the shielded cable installed, ground, center pin is connected, and so now all we'll do, get me a little adapter here, put her on there, takes her on easy enough, she don't move. There we go. Alright, let's put the cover on and give her a test. Alright, so we got the radio at 128. There's an ear band here. So we're going to take off the antenna.
Runway 16, inform ATC that you have information Sierra. St. John's Airport, information Sierra, weather at 0000.
There we go.
2015, few clouds at 1000, temperature 13, dew point 12, altimeter 3001. Approach RNAV Zulu. For Sunday, winds northwest 15 knots. For Monday, winds variable 10 to 15 knots. For Tuesday, winds southwest. Winds variable 10 to 15 knots. Wave height 43, dew point 12, altimeter 3001. Approach RNAV Zulu runway 16, arrivals and departures runway 16. Inform ATC that you have information.
You just hear the tapping there to CW, the beacon here locally, V1ZA. So yeah, she's receiving quite well.
Inform ATC that you have information Sierra. St. John's Airport.
Heure de vendredi 7 septembre pour ce soir, cette nuit, samedi. On the mall lot. The winer's door, we'll send them all. But else send them all lot. Close to the mall.
Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, folks. All the best.